Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing the recipe of Gajar Ka Halwa with all of you, which is my favorite dessert of winter in India. It is very easy to make but takes a lot of time and dedication, but look at the result. I mean, we want to eat it, right? So let's just start with the recipe. First of all, we will need 2 kgs of gajar or carrots. It has to be red colored carrot that we have to take and not the orange one. And we will just rinse them, peel them, and grate them like this. It has to be thinly grated and not from the motor side. You don't have to do that. Just thinly grated. Now take a heavy bottom kadhai or a wok and we will add 1 cup of ghee, desi ghee, clarified butter, which is 250 ml that I'm taking. You can add like half a cup more if you want more ghee. Now to this I will be adding my grated carrots. I will add the entire quantity that has been grated, that is 2 kg. As of now it might look very full, but as in when your gajar is like getting cooked, it will definitely reduce in size, the quantity. It will not remain 2 kgs. So just let your gajar get fried with ghee and just keep mixing it, keep stirring it in between, keep scraping the sides. Now just take 7 or 8 cardamoms and we will just crush it so that we will get a powder out of it. And this is the powder that we will add to our halwa because it will give it a very nice aroma and a flavor. So just add it to the carrot halwa. It is almost half an hour that I have um, cooked them, and now I will be adding 1.5 to 2 liters of milk. Take full cream milk for this. Normally what I do is that I just boil the milk side by side and I just add it to my halwa, but right now I'm just putting it out of the container and we will just mix it. Now on a slow flame, like on a low to medium flame, we will just let it cook for like 30 to 35 minutes or 40 minutes till the time the entire milk has dried up and your carrots have soaked up all the milk. So just let it cook, and after 40 minutes or probably 30 minutes, you will be able to see that your halwa has dried up. Right now, it is looking a little dull because of the white color of the milk, but soon it will come back to its original red color. Now, once this is done, we will add our other mixtures. You have to cook it till the time this ghee starts coming on the sides. Now just take dry fruits, whatever dry fruits you want to add. I'm adding some cashews, some almonds, some raisins, and I will be also adding some pista. Now just take a pan and take 1 teaspoon of ghee, and we will just roast our dry fruits in this and let it just fry for a while. Don't burn them, like it has to be done on a slow flame, and they should actually look like this. Your fried dry fruits actually add a very nice flavor to the halwa. Now we will just add 300 to 400 grams of sugar. It depends on your preference how sweet you want your halwa to be. I would suggest that you add 300 grams of sugar, mix it, let it cook for like on medium flame for 10 minutes, and just once the sugar has dissolved with the halwa, just taste it. If you feel that you need more sugar, then add more sugar, because at times people like to have less sugar because we will be adding khoya also to it, which has its own sweetness. All right, so just let it cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you will see that it has become a little liquidy, and the entire sugar has been dissolved. And just look at the color, like it is back to its original red color that we want for this halwa. Let it just simmer for a while, and to this I am adding 200 grams of khoya or mawa, you can call it. It is dried evaporated milk solid, which I will actually grate and I will add it to my halwa. Now just add the khoya to this halwa and we will just mix it all. this will give out a very nice flavor and the texture. If you go to all the Indian street shops, you will actually find that they add khoya to their halwa for that flavor. And once all the ghee starts coming on the sides is when you add your dry fruits to the halwa, and we will just mix everything. This is pista also that I'm adding to my halwa, and it is almost done. Just look at the texture. I mean, I just want to eat it off the screen right now because it is looking so nice. And while I was making it, it was like the entire house was so aromatic. Now, to give it a more Indian look, I am adding a silver leaf to my halwa and I'm just mixing everything together. Now, this is just ready and we will just serve it. I will just show it to you by serving it in a halwa plate, which is actually for a halwa. And just look at the texture. I mean, I can't say anything more than this. The smell, the khushbu, everything is like divine right now. My house is like, I can't even tell you the feeling. So just decorate it with some more dry fruits, some silver leaf if you have. It's not mandatory to use it, but yeah, it gives a nice texture. Now just look at it. I mean, who doesn't want to eat this? So guys, just make this recipe, share your comments with me, let me know how you found this recipe. And if you like my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button so that you get my notifications whenever I update a new recipe.